welcome. So today let me introduce to you the microcompression cell. This cell is great for when you have squishy samples and are using your FTIR microscope, or really any microscope for that matter. It has a footprint of a 1 by 3 inch slide, and it will fit into most FTIR microscope stages. Now to assemble the cell, you will put in a 13 by 2 window followed by your sample, and then sandwich it with another 13 by 2 window. Put on the top spacer and screw the cap down. Very easy to use. So for your tip this week, if you're using a window with a really low modulus, such as KBR or sodium chloride windows, you need to be careful on how tight you screw the cap down, because screwing it down too tight may crack your windows. So thanks for watching this week, and we'll see you next time.